There was one boy, he was about to graduate from school. His father was a billionaire. So he said, Papa, what gift will you give me for my graduation ceremony? Papa said, Beta, I will give you a Bhagavad Gita. It will provide you wisdom for these turbulent college years and your life ahead. Oh, what an awful papa you are. Is that the way to behave with your child? I'm graduating from school and all you can think of this Bhagavad Gita. I need a racing car. I want a Ferrari from you for my birthday, for my graduation. Papa said, I will think about it. So after graduation, when he came home, where is my graduation gift? His papa said, Beta, here it is. He handed the Bhagavad Gita, the song of God, to him. That boy was so annoyed. He said, this older generation, they have no appreciation for the feelings of the youth. My mind was set on that Ferrari and he can afford 1,000 Ferraris. He can't even hand one to me. So he threw the Bhagavad Gita there and stomped out of the house. I'm severing my relationship with you. Now he went off here, he went off there, etc. And the father was thrown into a pool of gloom. My child has left me. I loved him so much. He was searching here and there. Where did my child go? After 1 year, that boy thought, let me return and see how is my family doing. When he reached back home and 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the mother opened the door. He said, how are you? How is my father? The mother said, my child, you have come too late. At 9 in the morning, he departed from the world. He was so much in love with you, he could not bear the separation. And he was in such grief. Finally, he departed. That boy was moved to grief himself. He moved around the house, looking at the old things of his father, until in his room he saw the Bhagavad Gita, and then he remembered this was the Bhagavad Gita that my father had handed me on the graduation ceremony, which ignited all those emotions in me. He lifted up the Gita. He opened it, and there he saw a receipt from the automobile shop. The receipt said, 1 Ferrari payment done in full. The father had actually purchased the Ferrari and gifted it along with the Bhagavad Gita. But the boy did not realize it did not have the packaging that he had wanted. And that is what turned him off so much. In the same way, we want God to package His graces in exactly the way we want. He has His own way of bestowing His mercy upon us. And that is why we deaden ourselves to the miracle of God which is happening, whether we like it or we don't like it. So, the secret then to awaken your best self is what? To exalt the ordinary moment to the extraordinary moment. To live each moment to the full. To do every little bit as if it is the service of God. In other words, to develop bhav. So how will you develop this bhav? We do it like the great saints do it, who say, Jit dekhu tit shamamai hai. Wherever I look, I see the form of Lord Krishna. Or Siya Ramamay Sab Jagajani. Wherever I look, I see the image of my Sita Ram. So, how did these saints develop such astonishing bhav? By bringing God back into the picture. Somebody said, Swamiji, I knew the last secret will have God in it. The whole point is to bring God back into the picture. Either you do pranayam like this or you do like this, but you have to catch the nose.